Now we're going to solve some examples based on what we've just learned. So we're going to find the number, look at this example, find the number of protons and neutrons in this particular element. Now, let's identify the number of protons here. Now, as we said earlier, number of protons signifies what is the same as the atomic number of that element. So here, number of protons, number of protons. In this particular question is 11, because we've already said that the atomic number of an element is the same thing as the number of protons. So here, number of protons is 11. So now let's look at the number of neutrons in this question. So number of neutrons, number of neutrons. I'll give you the formula is the mass number, or atomic mass, subtract it from number of protons or atomic number. So let's use a number of protons. Number of protons. So this is the formula to get number of neutrons. Number of neutrons, mass number, which is the one we said is up. Remember, I'm just giving you tricks on how to do this. An element, the one that is up, the number up above that element is called the mass number. The one below it is known as the atomic number or number of protons. So for you to get the number of neutrons is mass number. We'll have the mass number here, which is 22.98, subtract it from 11. So whatever you have is the number of neutrons for this question. So we have a 22.98 subtract 11. So you have 11.98. So this is the number of neutrons for this particular question. So for here, we have gotten the number of protons, the number of neutrons. Don't forget, the atomic number here too is also the same thing as 11. So let's go to the other question. Now, looking at the other question, it's looking a little bit dicey, but let's see. You have 40.07 Ca, then X here. Now, what does this tell you? Now, you have to think. Here you have only the mass number, 40.07, and the symbol of that element. But they ask you to find the number of protons. Here, the number of protons here is what you're looking for here. We don't have the number of protons here. But right now, you already know that calcium is the 20th element in the periodic table. So which means right now, the number of protons here is 20, because that is what is here. So number of protons for this, number of protons is 20. So right now we can replace this X here with 20. Why? Because calcium is the 20th element in the periodic table with atomic number 20, number of protons is also 20. So right now we can now find the number of neutrons, since we have both the mass number and the number of protons or atomic number. You just do the same thing here, which is mass number minus, so number of neutrons here, number of neutrons. We've already given the formula, which is mass number minus number of protons. That will give you 40.07 from 20. So let's have 40.07 with 20, and we have 20.07. So 20.07. So this is your number of protons. So drop other questions in the comment section and I will attend to it. Mashallah.